Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. All we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and the recents should appear. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, it is a little bit easier because all you have to do is to tap on this 3 bars icon. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. If you want to close only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of them, simply tap on close all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so we can open the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.